Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Here in this problem, reduce the network into a voltage source. You can observe the circuit diagram. 2 ohm and 2 ohm are connected in parallel, and there is one voltage source, that is 4 volts, and 2 ohm practical voltage source is there. You convert that into current source, and you have two current sources. One is 1 ampere 2 ohm and 2 ampere 2 ohm. These two are the two current sources we are having now, and 3 ampere is there, 5 amps is there. Rewrite the circuit diagram now. You write the same 3 amperes current source, and which is having 2 amperes and 2 ohm resistor, and also have one more, that is nothing but 1 ampere and 2 ohm. So I will reduce this 2 ohm and 2 ohm into the next section. So now I will write as it is, the 2 ohm and 2 ohm resistors. I am converting this voltage source into current source. So it is having a down arrow, and 2 ohm which will be connected to this current source now, and you have 5 ampere current source in a downward. You can see 5 amperes downward. Okay, so I am writing the values 2 ohm, and current you are calculating V divided by R, where V is 4, R is 2, so that 4 divided by 2 will be having 2 amperes current source down, and one more 2 ampere current source which is upward. You are writing 2 ohm as it is, and here 2 ohm, 2 ohm, 1 ampere and 3 amperes. So now we can see these 2 amperes and 2 amperes are in opposite polarity, so that it becomes cancelled. So you'll get 0 amperes of current. 0 amperes of current is nothing but it's a open circuit, so that will be opened, and 2 is parallel to 2. You will get equivalent resistor as 1 ohm, and here also 2 is parallel to 2. You will get 1 ohms. So this is how we can rewrite the circuit diagram. Okay, so now you convert this current source into voltage source. V is given by E into R, so you can get 1 volts, and 1 ohm and 1 ohm are in series, so you can get total equivalent resistance of that as 2 ohm. So you can see here 3 amperes, 1 volt, 2 ohm, 5 amperes. Convert this 1 volts 2 ohm voltage source into current source. So you can get A is given by V by R. V is 1, R is 2. You can get 0.5 amperes, and 2 ohm is parallel. So you can see now 3 amperes in upward direction, 0.5 ampere is in upward direction. Both are in same direction, so that the total current is 3.5 amperes, and the 5 amperes is flowing downward. Both are in opposite direction, so that the difference between these two is 1.5 amperes, so that the overall equivalent current value is 1.5 amperes that will be flowing downward, so that you'll get equivalent circuit like this. So they ask you to find a voltage source, so that you'll get the voltage source. V equals to I into R, 1.5 into it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any doubts, write in the comment box. Do subscribe, share, max. Thank you. Have a nice day.